Good morning. Here we are Wednesday morning in the gym. We've got a active rest week this week in between our cycles. And today we've got a Pilates routine called Flex Your Torso. So Flex Your Torso, as it implies, is a ab or core routine. And the idea, at least on the description, is to get in your movement where the joints are moving to get somehow get the bones closer together. Anyway, I see it as an abdominal work, and plus I think you get a good stretch out of it. So especially the lateral flexion. The lateral flexion is a good spinal. You laterally flex yourself this way, and my obliques get a really good stretch out of that, and plus the middle of the back. So yeah, you'll see when we do that what the motion is like. But anyway, so we've got that, and then we'll head out on a walk. Not sure if I'll jog today or not, since it's midweek. We may take a break and just take a walk and get some extra recovery in, or I may jog a quarter mile or two. So we'll see. Yesterday I jogged 3/4 of a mile, interval, 1 mile walk. A quarter mile walk, quarter mile jog, quarter mile walk, quarter mile jog, quarter mile walk, and quarter mile jog. So and that worked out pretty good. So I may do the same thing today, or I may just walk. So anyway, welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. We're gonna hit it. Here we go. We've got a workout, so we're gonna get her done and get on back. So let's do this. All right, that's got Wednesday in the books. We've got Wednesday's workout done, or Wednesday's stretch routine done. I wouldn't call it too much of a workout, but it was a good stretch. Definitely a good stretch. Like I say, those lateral flexions, those are definitely good. Good on the spine, good on the obliques, the opposite side obliques. It stretches those out, man. That's pretty good. So it always gets me how that last move, the neck pull, where you're basically doing a sit-up and rolling down into your knee all the way. That one there is always difficult, and that rolling must be working my abs more than I think it is, because matter of fact, when I put my knees down and I thought I need to do that, I was kind of focused on my abs, and I thought, yeah, the rolling, I think I'm getting it. It's using the abs, because right after that, doing that flat sit-up is pretty difficult. Hard to do without keeping my feet off the ground. So anyway, that went well. The jog or the walk was a interval walk. Yeah, I walked a quarter mile and jogged quarter mile off on. So did 3 jogs, a little over a mile and a half, about 1.65 miles or so, and jogged 3/4 of it in intervals. So quarter mile walk, quarter mile jog, quarter mile walk, quarter mile jog, quarter mile walk, quarter mile jog, and quarter mile walk. A little more than quarter mile walk at the end, but yeah, that went well, and a little faster pace today. So I got in the low 6s on a couple. I think the last one was 6:01 actually for the full half mile. That's a half mile interval. So the walk plus the jog is taking 6 minutes. 6:01 for the last one. So not too bad. And the whole thing, I think I averaged per mile 12. Yeah. I broke 13, so I was 1250s, somewhere in the 1250s. That's not too bad either. So anyway, we got her done, ready to go in, get this Wednesday in the books, get on up over the hill, and get on going the downhill side. So let's do this, folks. Let's get her done. All right. You guys take care. Be safe. Have a great Wednesday. See ya.